Non-ferrous metal manufacturing plays a vital role in industries such as electrical engineering, automotive, aerospace, construction, renewable energy, electronics, and industrial machinery. From copper, aluminum, and zinc processing to alloy production, casting, extrusion, rolling, and fabrication, manufacturers require precise production planning, strict quality control, and complete traceability. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of non-ferrous metal manufacturing while improving productivity, quality, and operational efficiency. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From raw material procurement, production planning, melting, casting, extrusion, rolling, machining, fabrication, quality assurance, inventory management, warehousing, and dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning enables manufacturers to optimize furnace utilization, machine capacity,